Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let us introduce ourselves at PKM Universitas Al-Azhar Indonesia, consisting of Syurmita, Syifa Maulia Jakaria, and Ade Wirman Syafi'i, with the discussion theme Financial Analysis for Non-Finance Academic, a Practical Approach. On this occasion, we will share knowledge about financial analysis. Perhaps many of you, especially those who focus on non-financial field, feel that financial is something very technical and far from academic life. However, in reality, financial analysis has very relevant application in various aspects of our lives, including in the academic world.
What is financial analysis? Financial analysis is the process of analyzing financial data derived from financial statement to understand the financial condition and performance of an entity, whether it is an organization, project, or individual. Through this analysis, we can find out how healthy an entity's finances are and whether they are able to meet their short-term and long-term obligations. In academia, we can use this analysis to assess research project, budget allocation, and the financial stability of educational institutions. Why do academics need to understand financial analysis? As academics, we are not only involved in teaching and research activities, but also often involved in planning and managing funds, especially when talking about research project or community service. Understanding financial analysis allows us to make better decisions regarding the allocation of funds, the feasibility of a research project, and understanding how our institution finance work. In addition, financial analysis also gives us insight into managing budget more effectively, but for personal research and other academic activities. Financial statements are documented present information about the financial condition of an organization. There are three main financial statements that we need to understand: financial position report or balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement.
Financial Position Report. The Financial Position Report or balance sheet is a report that shows the financial position of an organization at a certain point in time. The balance sheet is divided into three main parts: asset, what the organization owns, such as cash, inventory, or property; liabilities, what the organization must pay, such as debt or loans; equity, the difference between asset and liabilities, which show the net worth of the organization. Example of a simple balance sheet: asset, 1 billion; liabilities, 600 million; equity, 400 million. In this example, the organization has more assets than liabilities, which means the organization is in a healthy financial position.
Income statement. The income statement shows the financial performance of an entity over a specific period, usually a year or a quarter. It records the revenue earned and the expense incurred to generate that revenue. Revenue, all money achieved from operational activities. Expense, all expense incurred to run operational activities. Net income, the difference between revenue and expense that show whether the organization is making a profit or suffering a loss. Example of income statement: revenue 5,000 million, expense 3,005 million, net income 1,005 million. The organization earned a net profit of 1,005 million, which show that they managed to make a profit after deducting operational costs. Cash flow statement. The cash flow statement shows the movement of cash in and out during a certain period. This statement is divided into three types of cash flow: operating cash flow, cash generated or used in the day-to-day operation; investing cash flow, cash used or received from investing activities such as the purchase or sale of asset; financing cash flow, cash received or paid to creditor or shareholder.
A healthy cash flow is essential to ensure that an organization has sufficient funds to carry out its operational activities. For example, in the context of research, it is important to ensure that funds reserved for research projects are used efficiently.
Liquidity ratio or current ratio. This ratio measures the organization's ability to meet short-term obligations. The higher this ratio, the better the organization's ability to pay short-term debt. Profitability ratio or profit margin. This ratio shows how much profit is generated from each unit of revenue. This profitability ratio is very useful for assessing operational efficiency, especially in research projects that require significant funding. Solvency ratio or debt to equity ratio. The ratio shows the proportion of debt used to finance the organization activities. The ratio is important for assessing financial risk, especially in large research projects that might require external financing.
Once we understand the main component of financial statement, the next step is to learn the financial ratio that can be used to analyze the statement. This ratio gives you an idea of the financial health of the organization, especially in terms of fund management and budget allocation.
Research project evaluation. As academics, we are often involved in research that requires funding. In this case, financial analysis can be used to assess the financial viability of a research project. For example, if we receive a grant for research, we need to make sure that the budget is sufficient to complete the project without any funding shortfall. Example, if a research project requires funds 300 million and the estimated income or fund received from sponsors are 250 million, then we must evaluate whether additional funding sources are needed and whether the existing funds are sufficient to cover the cost.
Let's look at a concrete example of how financial analysis is used to assess the financial feasibility of a research project.
Research budget management. Managing the research budget well is essential to ensure that the fund received
can be used efficiently. In this case, analyzing this income statement and cash flow can help you manage expense and ensure that the research runs according to the predetermined budget. Performance assessment of educational institution. Academics are also often involved in the financial management of educational institutions. Financial reports of institutions can be analyzed to evaluate the financial health of the institution, thus facilitating decision making regarding the allocation of funds for research program or other academic activities. Case study example. A university is considering funding a research project that requires funds 500 million. The estimated income or fund received from the research sponsor 400 million. Step to be taken: cash flow evaluation using the cash flow statement to determine whether there are sufficient funds to cover project expense throughout the research period. Net income evaluation, analyzing the income statement to ensure that the project can generate reasonable profit or at least avoid losses. Financial health evaluation, using financial ratio to assess whether the research project can be managed properly without increasing the financial burden on the institution. Conclusion: financial analysis as a decision-making tool. Understanding the basics of financial analysis provides academics with the ability to make more data-driven and informed decisions, whether in the context of research, fund management, or institutional performance evaluation. This is an important skill that can be applied across a range of academic activities. The importance of financial statement in research. Financial research, such as balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement, provide a clear picture of the financial health of an organization or project. As such, academics can use this information to assess the feasibility and sustainability of research projects and ensure that exciting budgets are managed well. Financial ratio as evaluation tool. Financial ratio such as liquidity, profitability, and solvency ratio can help academics assess the efficiency of fund use, identify potential risks, and ensure that exciting research are being used optimally. These ratios are also very useful in assessing the financial health of educational institutions and the management of research funds. Practical application in academic context. The application of financial analysis in academic activities is not only to assess the financial aspect of the institution, but also to assist in managing research projects, planning the recovery of funds, and ensuring that academic activities run according to the prepared budget. That's all the material from, and thank you.